So cryptocurrencies do not exist in a bubble. Investors in crypto also invest in other financial assets. So what's happening in the global macro environment definitely impacts what's happening in the crypto space. The general and prevailing sentiment in the market for the most part of 2018 has been fear, and that has driven reactions to deleverage and to reduce exposure in their multiple asset classes. For the crypto market, investors seems to have not only stopped injecting new capital into the space, but also in keeping current capital in crypto. Injections have really slowed down, with even private placements for new protocols struggling to raise capital. In fact, investors have started questioning whether selling tokens is the best tool for the end means of creating a useful and valuable protocol. Also, both issuers of tokens and investors have begun to gear up for the end of 2018. Investors who already have capital invested in the crypto space have started taking money off the table. On the issuer side, many of the projects that have managed to raise money in the previous months and years have started to really struggle to find true purpose. This, more than anything, perhaps shows the necessity of having a true crypto finance function within these projects for treasury management, financial management, amongst other things. While the issuers have managed to raise a lot of cash in the earlier days, they will likely soon have to incur some significant liabilities in the form of taxes, legal and regulatory costs, and actual delivery of value to existing token holders. From an investment perspective, there seems to be one fundamental problem. Token projects are meant to deliver value to investors through token appreciation. The token appreciates because there's real utility and real users with real uses. The fact simply is that most of these projects have sold most of their tokens to spectators and financial investors who aren't actually users of their network and project. And so therefore this makes it that much harder for their utility to really hold any value. For investors holding tokens currently, most of them seem to have accepted that ICOs that they have in their books will be coming to a market at cost. So the market price or the market token price will be just equal or just around the purchase price at ICO. And that's their estimation in the best case scenario. Just to conclude this video, our view in the next 12 to 18 months in the crypto space, we would probably see the following trends. Firstly, increased regulatory pressure, followed by difficulty for most projects to stay solvent, a reduced financial strength in general, and finally funding sources drying up.